In this tutorial, we'll show you how to modify the calories of a template. With over 100 templates to choose from inside of That Clean Life, we really do have something for everyone. Sometimes the calories aren't exactly what you need for your client. You can modify any template as needed, including increasing or decreasing the caloric needs. There are two different ways to do this. To make any changes to a template, you first need to make a copy. Select the template you'd like, and then click on Preview to be brought to the planner. From here, click Copy, rename your plan, and save it. The first way to make changes to the calories of a pre-made template is by using portions. All portions inside of That Clean Life default to one portion, but if you need to alter the calories of a template, you could change the portions. For example, you could double the portion to increase the calories, or you could use half portions to decrease the calories. Be sure to click on the nutrition summary to gain better insight into what meals would make sense to increase the portion size on. For example, I can see these blueberry chia pancakes have only 278 calories for breakfast. I can easily increase this meal plan by nearly 300 calories by having my client eat 2 servings in one sitting. To do that, click on the recipe you'd like to change the portion size on. First, ensure you have enough servings of this recipe to cover the number of portions you're changing to. From there, click on Portion, located beside Servings. To double the portion size, enter 2. Then click Continue. The nutrition information will be updated in real time and reflected in your nutrition insights. If you'd like to decrease the calories of a template, you can follow these same steps but allocate a half portion by entering 0.5. The second way to change calories of a template is by adding or removing side dishes and snacks. Start in the Nutrition Insights section to see an overall picture of how each meal is contributing calorically. In this example, I can see this spinach and sweet potato frittata contains only 206 calories, so I want to add a side dish to round out breakfast and increase the calories. To find recipes that meet your client's needs, click on the recipe title, and then select Side. From here, search for any recipe using a keyword. For this example, I think a smoothie would pair well, so I'm going to search for smoothie. I have a selection of smoothies I can choose from, and all show a preview of the calories. Select the recipe you'd like to add, choose the day, and change the servings if needed. The nutrition information will be updated in real time. If you'd like to search for recipes with more robust filters, you can use the filters found under the Recipes tab. Be sure to apply all of the same tags your template has. You can view these by selecting Smart and viewing the tags there. In this example, we'll apply all of our same program tags, but I'd also like to find breakfast recipes that contain no more than 5 ingredients, are high in fiber, and contain no more than 300 calories. To add any selected recipe, click on the icon with the 3 dots and select Add to Plan. Be sure to select Side if you're adding this as a side dish, the correct plan, and the meal and days you'd like to add it to. Adjust the servings if needed. If you'd like to decrease calories on a meal plan, you can simply remove snacks or replace snack options for lower calorie options. For example, I can remove this strawberry blueberry parfait and replace it with a lower calorie snack. To delete a recipe, click on the icon with the 3 dots and select Remove from Plan. Be sure to remove each instance of the recipe. From there, use the nutrition filters under the Recipes tab to find a lower calorie option. Click the icon with the 3 dots and add it to your planner. Select the correct plan, the meal time, and adjust the number of servings if needed. Continue to repeat the process until your client's caloric needs are met. And that's how easy it is to modify the calories of a template.